Profit or growth, which should a company follow? In an ideal world, a company would always pursue both profit and growth. However, in practice, it is not always possible to do both simultaneously. Profit-focused companies prioritize short-term financial gains above all else, while growth-focused companies prioritize sustainable long-term growth over immediate profits. So, which approach is better? Let's weigh the pros and cons of each. Profit-focused approach. Pros. 1. Quick returns. A profit-focused approach is all about generating as much revenue as possible in the short term. As a result, companies that prioritize profit can often reap financial rewards quickly, which is beneficial for stakeholders such as shareholders and executives. 2. Control over cash flow. Prioritizing profit will often lead to a company keeping a close eye on its cash flow. This approach can lead to better control over expenditures and tighter budgets, which can be crucial for smaller or cash-strapped companies. 3. Improved efficiency. A profit-focused company will look to streamline processes and cut unnecessary expenses to boost revenue. This approach can lead to improved efficiency and productivity. Cons. 1. Short-termism. Focusing solely on profit can lead to a short-term mindset that may ignore long-term sustainability goals. 2. Lost opportunities. A focus on immediate financial returns may mean sacrificing future growth opportunities that could have been realized through investments in new products, technologies, or markets. 3. Negative brand image. Prioritizing profit over all else can lead to negative brand perception. This approach can lead to negative publicity, which could ultimately harm the company's long-term reputation. Growth-focused approach. Pros. 1. Stronger long-term prospects. A growth-focused approach prioritizes developing new products and technologies, exploring new markets, and building customer bases. As such, it often improves the company's long-term prospects. 2. Better branding opportunities. Growth-focused companies tend to focus more on building a strong brand because they understand that this enhances customer loyalty and long-term profitability. 3. Greater customer loyalty. By focusing on growth and development, companies can cultivate a loyal base of customers who are excited about new products and innovations. Cons. 1. Takes longer to realize returns. Companies focused on growth may take longer to realize returns on their investments as it's a long-term hold till profits start building. 2. Higher upfront costs. A focus on growth may lead to higher upfront costs, especially if the company is investing in new technologies or products, which may impact profitability in the short term. 3. Riskier. Companies that prioritize growth tend to be more experimental and may take risks that could lead to the cost of a failed investment. Conclusion. In conclusion, the decision to prioritize profit or growth ultimately comes down to each company's business goals and priorities. While both approaches have their advantages and disadvantages, a company that can balance both will have the greatest long-term potential. Focusing solely on profit may satisfy shareholders but harm the company's brand in the long run. On the other hand, a growth-focused company without realizing profits may struggle to survive in the short term. Therefore, it is imperative for a company to strike a balance between the two approaches to yield long-term success.